Mother sucker. Yeah, oh, this what you want, huh? Microphone checker, motherfucking microphone checker. Keep that grip tight like my Smith & Wesson. Ike with the mic, which nigga tryna turn up. Hit you with the earthful fucking truth like Sojourner. Motherfucking microphone eater. Spitting hot shit, hit your dome with the heater. Wouldn't wanna be in this lyrical for eaters. Got dragon balls like my name was Vegeta. Motherfucking super duper swanking. Niggas still hating, pigs running for the bacon. Take them to the slaughterhouse, said we about to order out. Tell them we the badass motherfuckers that they heard about. Yes, I guess the word is out. We coming for the top dollar, top rock baller. Since I popped my collar, niggas say they hit us, they ain't never shot nada. Me, I'd rather not snitch up on my own problems. Cause I'm a microphone killer. Especially when my head is gone off that liquor. Especially educated, heavily medicated. Give me that beat and I put you next to Dilla. My nigga. Flow sweeter than vanilla. Tell these haters